Hello my friends, this is Lucy from Flute Art with Macrame Elegance. Welcome! I'm so happy you're here with me today. We are working on a 12 by 24, so it's a little bigger than the 10 by 20s I've been working on. And we're going to use a color palette that I did in some of my smaller blooms. We're going to start out with, we're doing the bloom technique. And this is by Amsterdam Persian Rose. This is opaque. Then we have mint green, aqua flash, plus pearl white, opaque. Then we have this little piggy. It's mixed show pony and sangria. And then I love this color. This is Deco Arts Peridot. Then we have one of my favorites, this little piggy, watermelon. And this is by Amsterdam Phthalo Green. So that's the order we're going to do it in. A little more in this corner. And I can always add more later, but I think that's good for now. Okay, let's start with Persian Rose. And next we're going to have our mint green. That's kind of thick, but it's a beautiful color. Let's see, next we have our TLP Show Pony mixed with sangria. Beautiful color. And then Peridot by Deco Art. Come on. Not wanting to do it. Next is watermelon. And then we have phthalo green. In the other one, the blooms that I did, I used jewel green. I couldn't find it. So that is similar looking to me. My cell activator will be Payne's Gray using Australian Floetrol. All right, let's make a pretty bloom. Well, let's try. Napkins. Flower blow dryer with the attachment on low. Okay. Whoop. Okay, I'm going to make this. Definitely you want to get a napkin and wipe your stick off. I want to make a flower and breaks up the colors. Okay, next bloom. over again. Gonna do it rather close. I didn't see much of that in this one. Maybe I had too much of the watermelon, I think. Okay, mint green next. And I don't think I'll put as much of the green on the very top either. Next is the show pony and sangria. Nice color. Come on. There we go. Next is the peridot green. I do like that one. Watermelon, I'm not going to put quite as much this time. Whoops. Ay! Haha, spilling all over. It's okay. And then we have our phthalo green. Not as much. Okay, that's all I'm going to put. And our Payne's gray. Okay, I like that. All right, we got one more to do. And last we have phthalo green. Okay, one more time. Okay. So we need to let that settle up. Let me see if there's bubbles I need to pop. Come on, bubble. I see that one. It still didn't pop. There it goes. Now I see a lot of black cell activator right there. A little bit right here that I just want a little less of. Because what I have learned is everything expands and the black becomes very obvious then, and it's not really what I want to see. So let's see if I can. Okay, we're going to spin this out. Get this in the middle. Let's get it over a little bit. Let's see if I need to move my camera a little bit. See if we're centered there. Oh, there's the bubbles popping. I saw that. I could see them. Sometimes you can't see them, but at a lower angle, I could see it. Okay, babe. All right. So this, from here off, probably will be gone. This probably will be gone. Too bad, because, you know, it's beautiful in here. But that's the way it goes. Let me just pull it out. Okay. Okay. Now I can see it's kind of tilting to one. So I'm just gonna move it. Okay. All right. Here we go. Cardboard up to protect me. All right. Woo! How pretty is that? The prettiest blooms are on the side though. All right, let's move it this way. I'm filming. I'm talking to the camera. I'm talking to my friends.
Huh?
talking to my friends online on my YouTube. Not today. Still need to move it over. Oh, but these are so gorgeous on the side here. Seems to be slipping. Woo, pretty, pretty, pretty. Oh, yes. I like that. Wanted a little of that black to come off. But I think it's okay. I like that. I don't want to lose any more of this. Nice. I'm going to have to do this one again because I really love the colors and try to make a better bloom in the middle. But I am keeping this one. That's pretty. Pretty, pretty. All right, let's see. Now, I don't know if these are like bubbles right there that I need to poke. What? I think I'll have to wait till we got some of that one. Oh, that's better. It's smaller at least. I'll have to wait till it dries. Okay, well, there we go. It's on a 12 by 24, gorgeous lacing. Sorry to lose those blooms because those were so pretty, even prettier than this one, I think. And so I'm gonna get you down for a close-up. I'm gonna have to do some more bubble popping, I think, because some keep popping up. And all right, well, God bless you. I will get you down for a close-up, and I will see you in the next video.